In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your override availability, your one-day availability change. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Availability. You should arrive at your availability calendar. If I scroll down, you can see that I have a override availability in place on Monday the 28th. That time says 8 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. when normally I'm available from 9 to 2 on Mondays. And I have decided I don't want to have that special availability, so I'm going to delete it. To do that, go to your new top menu bar and click on Overrides. Then you should get a list of all of your override availabilities. In this case, I only have one. To delete that override availability, I'm going to select Open under Actions. And now I can make changes to or delete that override availability. I'm going to select Delete. And TeamWork 5 is going to make sure that I actually do want to delete it, and I do. So I'm going to hit OK. If I didn't, I would hit Cancel. And now that availability override has been deleted. To double check that that override availability is gone, I'll go back to my calendar. So on the top menu bar, click on My Availability. And now if I scroll down, on the 28th, you'll see it now says from 9 to 2, just like all of the other Mondays in this month. And that's how you delete your override availability. To learn how to access your availability templates from your calendar, check out the next video.